What you're watching right now is not filmed. There is no camera, no crew, no real location. This entire cinematic sequence is generated using AI. This started as a single image and then it was extended into a movie shot that actually feels like a real movie scene. You can see the depth and the motion and the atmosphere. It does look all animated, right? So in this video I'm exactly going to show you how you can generate images and turn into cinematic shots, that too for absolutely free. And just look at this, you can even adjust the camera lenses and focal length and many more, and the voice is included too. So the final link is in the description, and after clicking on the description this will be the exact interface. And as you can see in this video I'm going to exactly show you and explain you each and every steps from the scratch, and I'll show you a live demo how you can create this stuff or anything you wanna. Okay, so basically this is the exact interface, and best thing about here is you get the lenses which you can select, which are used in exact cinematic frame creation, you can say, or recording, or used by various big industries. That filter you get it here, that feature you get it here. So after clicking on this, the Higgsfield Cinema Studio, a creator first space designed to generate professional grade cinematic content using real camera and the lens simulation. Instead of just creating random AI visuals, Cinema Studio focuses on cinematic intent. You can even generate 21:9 film style images and then seamlessly extend them into video shots, all within the same workflow. The idea here is simple: start with a strong frame and then bring it to life like a real movie shot. And one of the core ideas behind Cinema Studio is camera setup. You can choose a camera, a lens and a focal length, and each combination subtly changes into cinematic feel of the shot. You are not expected to understand filmmaking theory here. You are simply choosing the visual vibe, whether it's a vintage film look or a modern, clean digital style. Well, once you have an image, Cinema Studio lets you turn it directly into video. You can set the duration of the shot, enable slow motion for dramatic moments, and even add audio to make the scene feel complete. Instead of animating an image, you are essentially extending a cinematic shot. To make shots feel more cinematic, you can add camera moments like pan, tilt, dolly, zoom, and many more. What's nice here is that you are not working with timelines or keyframes. You are simply choosing the movement based on direction, and the system handles the complexity in the background. And if you want more control, Cinema Studio also supports start and end frames. This means you can define exactly where the shot begins and where it finishes, which is especially useful for precise cinematic transition or storytelling moments. And finally, there is the ability to generate multiple camera angles of the same scene in one go. This makes it possible to build a complete shot list without starting over, something that normally takes a lot of time in traditional filmmaking. And that's the overview. Now let's actually create a cinematic shot from the scratch. Tutorial. As you can see, I have just simply added my prompt here, and then after clicking on that camera feature, I am just adjusting the camera lenses and the focal length. So as I need a crazy cinematic awesome shot, so I'm going with this lens and the camera and also the focal length of 24, you can say. You can adjust it all accordingly, and then what you have to click is just you have to click all on generate option. That's it. And after clicking on generate option, your image generation will be on cue, and trust me, the result is gonna be mind blowing, because even while recording this tutorial I was extremely shocked after seeing the outcome. As you can see, this is literally mind blowing. And what I will do is I will just simply download this image, and now it comes the main part. Now finally we have generated our image, and what we have to do is we have to convert it into video with the cinematic shot, right? So what we'll do is, so the process is all simple. So what you have to do is just you have to drag your pointer, you can say, you have to drag your pointer on the image, and then you have to just click on start frame, as you can see on the screen. And after clicking on the start frame, your image will be directly transferred into the video section, and from there you can all edit and add movements without uploading a prompt. Yes, you're right, without even uploading the prompt or the describing the prompt, you can say. You can just select the camera movement from here which you want, and you can convert that image into cinematic shot. So just take a look at this. Whenever I am taking my pointer on any of the camera movement, you can see the exact movement here. Okay, so what I'll do is just look at this. Whenever I'm taking any pointer on the camera movement, it is showing me the actual camera movement, so you don't have to do anything. Just select the camera movement accordingly, and I am gonna go with, let's see what I can choose. I guess I shall go with this dolly in, because this seems something awesome. And after clicking on it, just I have to click on generate. Okay, just I have to click on simply generate. If your net is slow, you will get this error, as I'm keeping this video all raw. Okay, so you will get that something went wrong, try again. So just click on generate and it's all done. And now you can see a video is in the queue, and trust me, the outcome is gonna be crazy and perfectly awesome. And finally our generation have been completed. Now take a look at this. Just take a look at this. Each and everything is up to the point. The voice ASMR, the walking man, the rain, each and everything, the camera angle. This is what the Cinema Studio feature is. It's absolutely super mind blowing. And what I'll do is I will just click here and you can download it from here. And now I'm gonna just generate another scene. Okay, so as you can see, I have simply added the prompt here, and again I'm doing the same thing. I'm just changing the camera, the lens, and the focal length, you can see. And what I have to do is I have to just click on generate. That's simple. So after clicking on generate, my image will be generated, and we will repeat the same process again. What the same process is, you have to click on the start frame, your image will be transferred to the video section, and then you have to select the camera movement, and from there you are also good to go. Now just look at this generation. This is awesome, right? What I'll do is I'll just click on start frame, I'll select the camera movement. Now let's explore more camera movement. This is something awesome. Literally, I'm saying I really love this camera movement. Like, you don't even have to research on this, just click on it and you will get what camera, what type of movement you want in your footage or image, you can say, or the video. That's awesome, right? So just choose this accordingly, and I'm just choosing it accordingly. As you can see, I guess I shall go with this. This is easy, you can say. And let's check if this AI is able to handle this movement or not, because it's all 360-degree and sometimes the AI lags here. Now let's see what a final outcome will be. So I'm sure that this will not disappoint us at all, because due to its major accuracy, this AI tool has already proved that it's capable of handling this ultra realistic tough camera movements too. And I'm sure that this video will be awesome. So as you can see, finally the video has been generated. So let me download it first and let's have a perfect look of this. So as you can see, finally it's legit looking like a real movie cinematic scene. And with this AI tool, trust me, you can even develop your AI generated cinematic movies, and no one will able to recognize that all the scenes have created with help of this platform, this feature. And this is gonna be crazy for real. So just like this, you can generate plenty of the images, and few of the examples are in front of your screen. Just look at this. Each and everything is looking too realistic, and this is what this tool is actually made for. Well, this is only for this video, and I'm damn sure that this video was helpful for you. So make sure you go and try it out. The link is finally in the description.